My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser notifications and scary pop-ups that come from the site saveprivatedata.com. Saveprivatedata.com is a deceptive website that now keeps attacking many popular browsers, including Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers too. The website saveprivatedata.com tries to trick visitors into subscribing to its permanent advertisements that will be displayed as random web push notifications. Saveprivatedata.com tries to make you click on the Allow button. It also tells you a lot of faulty messages that try to encourage you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website says that your PC might be infected with viruses and other threats. But the real purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you, but rather to force you into downloading some shady applications. If you click on this Proceed button, you may be redirected to some other malicious resources that may promote some potentially unwanted applications. So don't trust these pop-ups, don't interact with them. We recommend you to just close this page and leave it. On the other hand, such pop-up windows you see in your screen may be the trace of some adware enabled in the system. So first thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel. In case you find any suspicious programs here on the list, you need to uninstall them in the regular manner. To make sure that your system is free of any other concealed threats, we strongly advise researching it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then start researching and investigating your system in order to identify and eliminate other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.